Welcome back to Xplorer. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated RedMagic 10 Pro. If you're a mobile gamer, this beast of a smartphone is designed to take your experience to the next level with top-tier specs, immersive display, and unbeatable performance. Let's jump into the details of this gaming powerhouse. The RedMagic 10 Pro brings an aggressive, gamer-centric design with RGB lighting, active cooling, and shoulder trigger buttons with a 520Hz touch sampling rate. Its 6.8-inch 1.5K OLED display provides buttery-smooth visuals thanks to its high refresh rate. This display is perfect for both competitive gaming and immersive video content. Powering this beast is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which ensures lightning-fast performance across all gaming titles. With 8GB to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, multitasking and loading times are blazing fast. Plus, RedMagic's built-in active cooling system ensures that the phone stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. Of course, gaming features are at the heart of this phone. The shoulder triggers are mapped to offer enhanced gameplay, while the stereo speakers and high-res audio bring immersive sound quality. The RedMagic OS 9, based on Android 14, is optimized for smooth performance and offers a dedicated gaming mode with custom configurations. The RedMagic 10 Pro doesn't compromise on photography either. It comes with a 50MP triple camera system featuring dual Samsung sensors. You get a 50MP standard lens with OIS for stabilized shots, a 50MP ultrawide camera for expansive captures, and a 2MP macro for close-up details. On the front, there's a 16MP under-display selfie camera, keeping the front screen uninterrupted. The RedMagic 10 Pro houses a massive 6500 mAh battery, allowing for extended gaming sessions without worrying about running out of juice. It supports 80W fast charging, so even when the battery gets low, you'll be back up and running in no time. This device is packed with features. You've got Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC support for seamless connectivity. It also includes under-display fingerprint scanning and facial recognition for added security. The RedMagic 10 Pro is expected to launch at a price of around $620 in the US, making it an attractive choice for gamers looking for top-tier specs without breaking the bank. It's set to release by the end of 2024, so keep an eye out for this beast. With its powerful chipset, gaming-centric features, and beautiful display, the RedMagic 10 Pro is shaping up to be a must-have for mobile gamers. What are your thoughts on this gaming smartphone? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for more exciting tech updates.